Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow Twitter topics on your Twitter account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to follow the topics, just simply open your Google Chrome and go to twitter.com. After going into Twitter, we used to get the topic option after tapping into our profile icon here. But now, it's not showing the Twitter topic option in Twitter. Now, in this case, there is only one way to follow the topics on your Twitter. Whenever Twitter randomly recommends a topic on your homepage, try following it from there. To check which topics you are currently following, simply tap on the magnifier option and scroll down to your search section. As you can see here, I have already followed travel topics. Now, tap on the three dots, and you can also unfollow the topic from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.